Good morning, students. I am your English teacher and today we will learn about articles. First of all, let's learn what are articles. Articles are used to point out or refer to nouns. A, an, and the are called articles. We have two types of articles, definite and indefinite. First of all, we will learn about indefinite articles. A and an are called indefinite articles because they do not refer to any particular person, place, or thing. For example, an umbrella, a boy, a book. Here, we are talking about these things in general. Now, what are definite articles? The is called the definite article because it always points out some particular object. For example, this is the boy who had stolen my purse. Here we have used the before boy because we are talking about that particular boy who had stolen my purse. Where are the keys? We have used the before keys because we are talking about particular keys. Now we will see rules. Where a is used. A is used before a consonant. First of all, we will discuss what is a consonant. Consonants are all those words that do not start with A, E, I, O, U. As you know, A, E, I, O, U are vowels and all the others are called consonants. So a tiger, a cat, we use a before consonant sounds. Next, let's see next rule. A is also used before a word beginning with a vowel but sounding like a consonant. Here, this is very important and you need to concentrate. I will again explain the second rule. Here, we use a before a word beginning with a vowel but sounding like a consonant. Let's see first example, a 1 rupee coin. In this word, 1 is starting with O, but we have not put an. Why so, children? The reason is the sound is V and V is a consonant. Again, in next example, a European. Here, E is also a vowel sound, but here the word is European and we are getting Y sound. Next is a utensil. U is also a vowel, but the word is utensil and we are getting Y sound. Now, after learning rules of A, we can conclude that we are not going to see the alphabet, but we are going to see the sound of the alphabet as well while using articles. Now let's move and we will learn about rules of an. We use an before a word beginning with a vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U. For example, an apple, an orange. We use an before a word beginning with a consonant but having a vowel sound. Now, here you need to concentrate and see these examples. An, am, be, a. Am is a consonant, but we have used an The reason is we are getting a sound. Again, in next example, an R. Here H is silent and we are getting a sound. An honest man. H is silent here and we are getting a sound. And O is a vowel sound. Now let's see rules of the. The is used before a word denoting particular person or thing. Let's go to the cinema. We have used the before cinema because we are talking about that particular cinema where we want to go. Before the names of the following: sea, rivers, deserts. For example, the Red Sea, the Yamuna, the Sahara Desert. We use the before unique objects. For example, the sun, the sky. We use the before the names of books. Example is the Bible. We also use the before the superlative degrees. Example is Ravi is the best actor in our class. Best actor in our class. We have used the before best because best is superlative degree of good. Let's practice use of article with these examples. First is an umbrella. We have used an before umbrella because U is a vowel and we are getting a sound. A university. U is a vowel but we have used a before university. The reason is we are getting a consonant sound, that is year. Next is a clock. C is a consonant, that's why we have used a. Next is an honest man. We have used an before honest because H is silent and we are getting a sound. Next is an I. E is a vowel and we are getting a sound. That's why we have used an. The Ramayana. Ramayana is name of a particular book. The sky. Sky is a unique object. Dear children, let's have fun with activity. Find any 3 objects from your surrounding and use a, an or the with them. Discuss 3 examples of each with your family. For example, an apple, a book, an ice cream, the Tribune, and so on. You will find this activity really interesting and it will help you for the better understanding of the concept. After doing this activity, I hope concept of articles will be clear in your mind. Thank you.